In sections 2.1, okay, actually just section 2.1, you get introduced to the definition of even and odd integers. All I'm going to do here is just give my my standard explanation of evens and odds, so you can see yet another presentation of these ideas. All right. Okay, so I think this works really well with the table. So let's say evens and 2 times n. Okay. So let's write down some evens. Okay, so let's see. How about start with 0, 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. It goes on forever. There's infinitely many evens. And there's also the negative ones as well. Okay, we'll start with the positive ones and 0. Okay, so the thing to notice is that you can 0 is the same as 2 times 0. 2 is 2 times 1. 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. 8 is 2 times 4. 10 is 2 times 5. Okay, let's go backwards. Let's go negative 2. Negative 2 is 2 times negative 1. Negative 4 is 2 times negative 2, and so on. All right, and so the idea here, what I'm trying to show you is that all of the even integers can be written as 2 times some integer. Notice that all of these numbers, these are integers. I'll just write ints. These are all integers, or ints if you're using some programming languages. Okay, so that's why our definition of even is, let's say, I'll just use a different number, a different variable than they do in the book. Let's see, n is even if and only if, or let's say if there exists, let's say if there exists k. All right, let's see. If there exists integer k such that n equals 2 times k. All right, and we see why this is the right way of thinking of it, because as we saw with the table, all even integers can be written as 2 times some integer. All right, let's go through the same idea with odds. All right, so, okay. let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, dot, dot, dot. And let's see, -1 there. Okay, so start with 1, right? 1 is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. 3 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1. 5 is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1. 7 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. Let's see, -1 is equal to what plus 1? Okay, so 2 times -1. Okay, that's right. And notice that these right here, right, all of these are increasing, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's how we get through them all. So it would make sense that this would be -2 times -1 plus 1. And now let's just check our work, right? So 2 times -1, that's -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. So you can see that works. And similarly, let's see, -3, that would be 2 times -2 plus 1. So that would be -4 plus 1 is -3, right? And so you can see that, in fact, all of the odds can be written. So let's see. So in general, let's see, let me give myself some room here. I apologize if you hear kids in the background. My daughter and her friend are playing. Let's say we get to some, let's see, what did I have before? Let's say m, some odd integer m. It's going to be able to be written as 2 times k plus 1, where k is just some int. All right, and so that's why we've defined even and odd the way we have.